One very simple question. When you identify a stock, what are the factors which you look at? I mean, what is there in your checklist when you say, I'm going to buy this stock, or this stock does not fit in my competence, circle of competence? What is that parameter which you use?
See, as a business in India, we will be looking at the market potential or the market opportunity for that business, which is very important when you're a long-term investor. And how much they can grow. Maybe some of them are their market is global markets. So what is that opportunity size? Is the basic thing comes to my mind. And then of course today's parameters, the rate of growth, and this is the size of the company by revenue, the profitability, and this is the valuation given by the market. Some of them are given very high values, valuation like 60, 70, 80 Ps because it is over discovered. Some of them, a similar business may be valued at 8 to 10 or 15 Ps because of the perception issues. So then naturally we look at the quality, the track record of promoters. So here is the the clue, I would say, Nikunj. It's very easy to understand the track record of the promoters. So what I always try to find in the changing India, in the changing Indian standards with regard to the corporate governance, the regulators are very strict on these kind of things. The kind of transparency required for the promoter or the management to the public shareholders. So those in that kind of an changing environment of governance and ethics and transparency, whether these companies will continue to be like that, badly managed, unethically managed, without respecting shareholders, other public shareholders, or is there a possibility of them changing? Is there an incentive for the promoters to go really professional, stop siphoning of money, and get into that, understand the value, understand the value of going professional and creating wealth through the market capitalization, where you are also sharing the wealth with the minority shareholders. See, only those who are willing to share the wealth with minority shareholders, that companies only create market cap. We have seen it in many cases. So many companies, dozens of companies, which are fairly large ones. I am ignoring the penny stocks. Let us not think about them. Fairly large, dozens of such companies are moving. Like Raymond is getting into a new orbit. What has changed in Raymond? I am telling you, all the same businesses Raymond holding today, when it was 2,500 crores. Now today, I think it is something like 11,000 crores, where Manyavar is quoting at say 30,000 crores. So, and you see the businesses and the potential wealth creation by these two companies. I'm not telling good or bad about anything. I have disclosed I am holding our largest holding in the portfolio management and AIF.
Right.
I think around 25% of our money is in Raymond. We are very happy about that. We are still holding. We may sell shares, but I'm telling after this.
Right.
So investors, please don't take it as I am very bullish and buy it at any price. I'm not a person like that. So valuation. That is
Right.
the key. Now, investors should never forget that. Whether a fancied investor bought it, whether it's
Right.
highly campaigned IPOs coming up. In any case, investors see some traders or gamblers or funders could make money in between.
Right.
But normal investors stick to valuation, the future of the business, how the company has been managed and how it may get managed, or is there any change? Is there the symptoms of change in the culture of management? Managing these things much better and professionally,
Right.
sharing the wealth with minority shareholders. So those kind of aspects
Right.
are most relevant when you invest in smaller companies, other than our Reliance, TCS, and HDFC banks of the world.